everybody and welcome. I am too lazy to get up and try and cover that pillow because that pillow makes me fight for my camera to focus on me. Well, hopefully it's in focus because every time I move my head, the square around my head seems to, whatever. Hey, welcome to the channel where your girl, well, you chose to click on the channel that started with Hot Mess, so there's that. But anyways, my name's Rhonda and over here we are unboxing my paid for Boxycharm by Ipsy box. After taxes and everything here in Kentucky, it comes to like $32. So I think I made a pick, can't remember at all. But before we jump into today's unboxing, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to. I see you and I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys decide to click that thanks button to tip the channel, if you will, or tip your creator, thank you guys so much. I see that some of y'all are doing that and I want to give you guys a special little shout out as well. You don't have to, but you do, and thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this box because I feel like I've made the past couple videos really long and rambly and I'm not in a good mental health headspace to like hear people complain about it. Okay, so don't. Okay, well, fine. Alright, so we're coming in hot with that packaging. That is amazing. And you know what? Funny enough, I was trying to figure out, she's back, she's gonna ramble, my bad, not really, that I was like, maybe it's the East Coast that's only getting the paper, maybe the West Coast is getting the foam, but you guys, it's inconsistent. It's crazy across the board. Some of y'all said in California you did get foam, but then some of y'all, I think we're in like Nevada, and you got paper. I don't know the rhyme or reason. Ipsy, Boxy, why? Why do some get foam and some get paper? Even up in Canada, I saw some of y'all in Canada say you got foam, but others in Canada say you got paper. What is that? Is it just whatever the person who's packaging feels like doing? That would make sense. Alright, so they have totally moved away from the cards that tell us a little information about the individual items in here. And I know what you're going to say, Rhonda, log into your app. Ma'am, I don't remember my login. Shh, I know. There's ways around that. I'm too tired to do that. There's just too much. Anyway, scan me to get to know your pics. Oh, okay. Well, let's try that. All right. So if it makes me log in, I'm gonna cry. No. Oh, it's actually showing me stuff. Okay. Well, that's cool. So there's a QR code. So if you scan your QR code, it actually is going to tell you what's in the box. So that's pretty nice. The last Mega Drop Shop of 2023 is happening, October 9th, where you get up to 80% off. Oh, we talked about this last time, y'all. What the heck is the Power Picks? I think the Power Picks is supposed to be like what Boxycharm Premium was. I honestly have no clue. So your Power Picks could look like that, which are a bunch of really cool things, but I don't know. So let's just jump into what I got. So the first thing I'm seeing, is the Mika Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. So can we just talk about, I was talking about this, I think, on my vlog channel. You guys know, use expensive products on my hair. And it turns out, because my daughter is a cosmetologist, like right now my hair, it's hair washing night, but trust me when I tell you it looks so much more hydrated and healthier than it has been in weeks, and I'll tell you why in a second. So apparently I was overdoing it without realizing I was overdoing it with the keratin. I was literally just talking to my girlfriend about it. I had stayed overnight somewhere, and in this cute little dispenser she had shampoo, body wash, conditioner, whatever. And I was like, what is this? My hair has never felt so soft. What do you have in here? And she's like, it's Pantene Pro-V. Now I know a lot of y'all are like, clutching your pearls. I get it. I understand. I was one of those women. Even my daughter was like, Mom, you should not be using that. And I'm like, well, my hair is not felt this amazing and lack thereof crunchy and has some sheen. Granted, this is hair washing day, so mind your business. in a hot minute, my ends look beautiful. Do you see they're bending? They're bending. They're not stuck up in the air. That is Pantene, friends. Pantene. Have I changed everything in my shower for the Pantene? Heck freaking yeah, I did. Why? Because I was tired of the crunch. Well, Haley was going through and she's like, Mom, it looks like you've done, because every so often I have to have my kid go through my shower like I'm 2 years old. She went through and she's like, Mom, you're using too many things with protein in there, like too much keratin in there. And you can in fact dry out your hair doing that. Yeah, whatever. So I'm excited to try this, but I am going to be very cautious because right now my hair is feeling better. Like I can actually brush through and comb my hair without crying because I have sensitive scalp. It's not breaking off. Like I'm like, what is wrong? Like my thyroid is good. Like my vitamins are good. There's literally nothing wrong with me physically. I mean, my hair is growing. Thank you, GC Love, Harry F. But like, what's wrong? It was my shampoo. Anyways, next in here we've got the LYS Beauty Think Deep Pore Minimizing Detox Mask. This is good for clogged pores. The reason I do that is because my skin has been doing really good lately. And I'm like, I have screwed it up a lot lately. And it's finally back to normal. So I'm like, do I really want to try this? Key ingredients are willow bark, which helps improve the appearance of pores. You know, there's bentonite, kaolin, charcoal powder. Okay, I actually really like LYS. So if anything, I'll do this like on my nose and my chin. I say my nose as I point to my chin. Leave me alone, guys. Okay. Oh, my battery's about to die. That's amazing. Okay, hold on. Moving on. The next item in here is the Kate Somerville acne treatment. Oh wow, look at that. I wonder if you like shake it up. I'll have to read about that. Oh, it's sulfur. Okay, so sulfur, yeah, I could see that working. It's definitely a spot treatment type of dealio. Maybe you put it like a Q-tip in there and dot it where you need to. So that's nice. Next in here, oh, I got the House Laboratories. Oh yeah, I did pick this. I did pick this because I remember seeing that and I was like, oh, that's cool. So look how cool that is. Isn't that so cute? Probably not my color. Oh my god. Oh. This was my color in 6th grade when I first started wearing makeup. Add a little frost. And that was my color. Yep. Well, you know, we'll figure it out. I feel like that'd be a really pretty blush. What is up with the shades today? My brain is not braining. There's the name of it in case anyone's curious. I can't articulate today. I am, ooh. All right, last in here, we've got the Reversal Retin C Treatment Complex by Kate Berkey, which everybody says is such a good brand. So I'll definitely maybe try it. Can I just say, where the heck is the makeup though? Like, I like the products that I got. Like, don't get me wrong. I love that they're all bougie products, which that's the whole reason why I started with Boxycharm. I wanted the bougie without having to fork out individual prices for all the bougie things. So I love Amika hair products. They are really good products. I love LYS. I am excited about, honestly, I thought it was going to be more of this shade versus, I feel like the shades are a little different. Maybe not. Maybe it's in my head. It's in my head. That's cool. I really wanted to see more makeup, so I don't know what happened there. That kind of is a bummer, but I do feel like everything that I did receive in the box I will use. So it's one of those things. Maybe I need to figure out how to get back into my account, change up my profile again. I don't know. Let me know. Was yours really makeup heavy or really skincare heavy? Because I got that lipstick. I don't know. I mean, I definitely think the box was worth the $32. So I'm gonna just shut my pie hole. I'm gonna shut my pie hole. I just would have liked to see it a little bit different. You know what I mean? Like a little bit more makeup in here versus all the skincare, which was 3 things of skincare. Yeah. Maybe 1 skincare, if even. Alright, I'm rambling and I'm now officially in my own head. I'm hopping off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you if you stuck around and watched it. I will have a bunch of information in my description box if you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm by Ipsy. There will be a link down there. Thank you if you use it. It is an affiliate link. Shout out and thank you once again to my YouTube members, to those of you clicking the thanks button. My battery's dying, so I'm hopping off. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! I was getting so nervous, y'all. I get so nervous. As soon as that light starts flashing, all brain cells that were even left in my brain literally exit the vicinity. Good times.
Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreaming.